final call. But what I'm saying is that all of these things are being looked into, whether the fact that we'll be shifting our administration away from the city here and going to the new administrative city and ensuring that the connectivity that is there to the new city also is done in a way that we look at next 50 years and 100 years in terms of traffic movement, so that there is an ease of flow of traffic to the new city and new administrative city. So there's a lot of large scale planning. I don't want to go into all of that, but the reason I'm sharing it and a much larger solution that we're working on, and things will take time, but we have made a start, and this is really, really satisfying. This moment to the moment when we'll be having our administration shifting out of the current space and moving majority, if not all, at least 50% of our administration to the new city. I think you will remember today and remember that day, and be able to link this entire process and phase in which we were able to decongest Shillong, we were able to improve the overall traffic, parking, amenities, so on and so forth. So therefore, friends, I will not take too much time. Sincere thanks and gratitude to the Urban Affairs Department. This would not have happened if the team had not worked. The Smart City team, you have really put in a lot of hard work, and I think in record time, in terms of construction, this has come up. We can all see that it's a very, very technologically sophisticated piece of project, and therefore it was not easy. So therefore, all the people who are involved in making this happen, I congratulate all of you. But last and not the least, I once again would urge the administration and the traffic and the police that they must ensure that now that this parking facility is available, and as I said, we'll be having many more, about close to 8, 9 of them are coming up. We should ensure that no more of these parkings are there on the road. We'll be shifting this to these areas, and as mentioned by Dr. Vijay, we'll convert them into walking zones, maybe even cycling zones, wherever we can get space. We'd like to do that, because we have always stressed on the fact that Shillong is a walkable city. You don't need to actually use the vehicle everywhere. So if walking facilities are created, spaces are created, I'm sure there are going to be a lot of people who will prefer walking, and obviously for health reasons also it's something that we'd like to promote. So once again, I congratulate everyone and wish this project the very best. And once again, thank the team.